Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is like the third video in this section. And the young gentleman I'm trying to help said that Tennessee wasn't playing very nicely because it filled in both states. And there's the problem right there. The line is just a little bit off. So just take your shape tool and grab that and connect it, and then retry it. And there you go. He also mentioned West Virginia. Let's do West Virginia and see it leaks into the other state. So let's zoom in here. So there's got to be a leak along this line, and I'm going to bet it's right there, and there it is. So just take your shape tool and pop it to that node. And now let's try West Virginia. So if the other states are doing that, look for the leak where it's leaking to. You know, let's back up here. It leaked this way, so the leak has to be between these two states. You can see it's not there, so it's leaking just like I thought. So just zoom in, and there's that line, and just move it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.